Meaning of GCSE.
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 GCSE. GCSE stands for General Certificate of Secondary Education, which is an academic qualification awarded to students in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland usually at the age of 16. It covers a range of subjects including English, mathematics, science, humanities, and foreign languages, among others. The GCSE results are based on a series of exams taken by students over a period of 2 to 3 years, with grades ranging from 9, highest, to 1, lowest. The results are important for students as they determine their eligibility for further education and job opportunities. Additionally, high GCSE grades can also open doors to prestigious universities and scholarships.